Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram. Please wait a few minutes before you try again. So guys, when you want to log in your Instagram on your iPhone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then guys you need to connect any Wi-Fi, and guys if not have Wi-Fi, then you need to turn on your mobile data. And guys, second step is you need to click on general, and guys click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset network settings. And guys, third step is you need to check VPN connection. So guys, if you have connected any VPN, then guys you need to disconnect your VPN. And guys, after disconnecting you need to go back. And guys, after doing this you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your app store here, and guys here you need to search Instagram. As you can see here, simply you need to open your Instagram here, and guys you need to click on Instagram, and guys you need to update your app from here. And guys, after doing update you need to go back. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to delete your Instagram app from here. And guys, after deleting app you need to reinstall again from your app store. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.